Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you're new here, welcome and welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting and giving this video a huge thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family as well. And if you're my day one, you guys know what it is, what it do. Welcome back, my lives, and thank you so much for giving me all the love and the support. I really do appreciate that a lot. So in today's video I want to show you guys my wash routine. So I have washed my hair already, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you how I wash my videos. So if you want to see all of that, please do keep on watching. I did use the Cantu cream shampoo, which is nice and hydrating, and also it is amazing. So I went into the shower, I washed my hair, cleansed it nicely, and once I was done with that, I used Afro Botanic deep moisture treatment, and I put that on and I detangled my hair while I was doing that. Also it's because it's very easy and very convenient. I this time didn't brush my hair with a brush or with a comb. I just tangled my hair with just my fingers without using a comb. You can use a brush, you can use a comb as well, and you can do it the way I did it as well. I did it that way because my hair was not that tangled, and it's not like I've left my hair for like 2 weeks or so without washing it, so there was not a lot of hair build up, dirt build up on my hair. So that's why I use that method. And as well, I went ahead and I put on my plastic, and I used the Love King's Stook. I use also the Love King's bonnet, which you can get on Instagram. It's a brand by Sinovuyo Mondliwa, which does a beautiful awareness about hair and how to take care of our hair and all of that. And once I left that sit in my hair for maybe 45 minutes to an hour, because I was not gonna go under a sheet, or I don't have the heat thing to put on, so that's why I used the plastic and the Love King's products that I used. After sitting for an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, I went ahead and I rinsed my treatment while detangling my hair as well. Detangled my hair while rinsing it off. And normally what I like to advise you, don't use warm water, because warm water does strip moisture into your hair, especially if you want your hair to be moisturized and you want your hair to retain moisture. I would advise you to just use very cold to lukewarm water. So I basically kind of use cold water, and then after that rinsing it out and detangling my hair. And please don't worry about the white residue, that is water in my hair, it's not product. I made sure that I rinse my hair out thoroughly. So after that I went ahead and I put a conditioner on also while detangling. This was a Cantu cream conditioner, which is amazing, beautiful. I make sure that I put it in my hair and in my scalp, and make sure that it's saturated in my hair, and I detangle my hair while doing that. And I let that sit there for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then I went ahead and I washed my body. And And yeah, that's all. That is my hair routine. And then I do have a lock method. I will link it in here. I didn't do much of the lock method. I went ahead and I put in the Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I just put that all over my hair while sectioning my hair into two sections. And you know, I went ahead and I sectioned my hair even more. As you can see here, this is how I section my hair now. And also, I want to come on camera and show you guys how I trim my ends. So I have washed my hair, and also wants to wash my hair now. I want to show you, I do trim my hair whenever I see like there is like, you know, strands of hair that I feel like is, I don't need it, you know. It's easier like this, and I just trim whatever there is that I feel like it's gonna create knots in my hair in the long run, and I don't want that for my hair because it does break. So I do that. This is the scissor that I got from Yankee. Hair thing is on Instagram as well, and Natural Hair and Co, that's what it's called. I basically just trim my hair as often as I could, honestly, because I want to go back into that because I feel like I didn't trim it nicely. And this helps a lot in terms of retaining moisture, because the split ends are your oldest hair, so you want to trim that out and retain length as well, and making sure that your hair is growing in a healthy possible, as healthy as possible. I did that. And I feel like it's best to not use a normal scissor, like use a scissor for actually this. That way you know that you're not damaging your hair. Because if you're gonna use a scissor that's not designed for this, it might end up ruining your hair, so you don't want that for your hair. I like it when it's nice and trimmed. It feels so good. See, I didn't do this one. I feel like it's done. There you have it, my love. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do comment down below, and how often do you trim your hair, and your wash routine, what products do you use. I would love to hear that. And also please subscribe, it is very free. I would really appreciate that. It helps a lot with YouTube suggesting my videos to other people that watch content like this one. So please do subscribe, and also a like, and watch it longer. So thank you so much if you have watched it to this point. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.